Good morning, Year 10, and welcome to another and our last lesson of this term on poetry. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've seen some really good work from some of you. Anyway, today we're going to do a GCSE practice question because tomorrow we're doing theme park, and that's the last lesson of the academic year. I will be uploading 5 hours of work for you to do over the summer holiday, which you're required to do, but I'll talk a bit more about that tomorrow. For now, do now, which is list all the poems from the collection that show desire. Now, if you have to go and look at the grid, so be it. I wouldn't expect you to have memorised that yet, but do so if you need to look at the grid. But list all the poems from the collection that show desire. So our learning objective today is to complete a Part A poetry question. Remember, it's got two parts. The first part, you compare a poem that you know with one that you've never seen before. And the second part, you write about another one of the poems that you know. This is the Part A. So title is Part A Practice. Here's a quick review of the do now. Any poems from the collection that show desire. You could have had, well, these are the four. Now, I wouldn't thank you for a Valentine, warming her pearls and dusting the phone. And here's the question that you're going to do. Read the two poems below on the next slide and then answer the question. You're advised to spend about 45 minutes. So you're going to compare how the speakers in these poems present ways in which love can continue after death. You should consider ideas and attitudes in each poem, tone and atmosphere in each poem, the effects of the language and structure used. Now, we've been over this a couple of times. We've had a couple of practices at it, and this is still practice. But, you know, just make sure you have a go and send me the work, upload it to Classcharts, and I'll happily mark it for you. And here are the two poems. You need to be thinking about, looking at these and thinking about the question, obviously. Now, I've attached the question and the two poems as a Word document to Classcharts. Just wondering if I should do it as a PDF as well. I will. So there you are. I'm not going to say any more because we've been over this loads of time, and I want you to see what you can do without me saying any more. So give yourself 45 minutes to an hour to do that. Just have a go, Year 10. Don't be, scared of it. Just have a go. Send it to me, and I look forward to reading it.